Have you ever had a dream to do something unusual?
Holy shit!
It's not how you thought it would turn out. This is actually the first time I've been creeped out.
I lost my wallet.
This was my dream. Welcome to my van vlog.
Well, today's the day I'm leaving, and it's pretty shit weather today. I am leaving today. I'm fucking leaving today. There's a chance I won't leave today, and I don't know how I feel about it. Just the last couple of days, I've just been feeling nothing. Like, I'm not nervous, sad, excited. I'm not nothing. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm fine? Does that mean I don't give a shit? I don't know. But I'm at Bunnings Warehouse. The lowest prices. Just the beginning. I'm leaving. It was still raining this morning. I'm halfway to Lamaru. I had my last shower. RIP the shower. You will be missed. I've been driving for a couple hours now. Oh, I've crossed into Victoria now, so that's cool. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit hungry, so I'm going to make some sausages. There's people over there. The thing that's just chef's kiss about this right now is, I don't know if you can hear that, but a pig truck just pulled up right next to me and it smells like fucking shit. So now I'm eating my food with a delicious aftertaste. What else is out here in the middle of bumfuck nowhere but some really gorgeous art? You'll never guess where I am. I'm at the Valley Bakery! There's an op shop over there. Buddha's new op shop. Should we go into the lake? Woo! Oh, is that a toilet? Fuck. I needed to take it. That shit! Why is it blue? I'm blue, yeah, baby. I look like a wreck. Could you imagine if there's showers in here? So far, okay, this is my thing, right? Every single toilet I stop at, because they're all public toilets, I'm reviewing them on Google. Getting those review points. Alright, and if you can include photos, you get extra points. Whee! For example, this one looks a bit like a dungeon. 5 stars for me. Hey, it's 4:15 and I've just been like peeing non-stop. So many toilet reviews today, oh my god. I'm really keen to find a campsite. I went on Wikicamps, so I'm going to check out all the campsites along the riverbank and see what ones look good. And man, I'm just so keen to have a fucking nap, bro. I'm so tired. This is my view right now. I am at Nigan Football Club. Today I've driven 427 kilometers and I'm tired. I'm probably gonna have a lay down and then cook some tea. Today is gonna be the day that you're going to go back. Ew. I didn't get any like sauce, so I'm just making it up. We've got Moroccan seasoning, put garlic in it. I've got an egg, I've got some coconut oil, I've got a little bit of this. Some sesame oil. Oh my god! Normally there's a stopper in it. What do I do now? Mix it in? Like fuck. And my gas has gone out, so I'm not even cooking. This is my dinner. It turned out pretty good. Good morning. I need to pee so fucking bad. I couldn't actually get to sleep very well last night, but then once I was asleep, I was outie. I'm gonna get dressed and head to the gym 2 hours away. Ayo. Now, I don't know if there's something wrong with me, but I can't stand any form of sand on the bed or anything. So I have this little broom. I just sweep my bed off. When I have the windows open, sometimes like dust and stuff just rolls in. Like last night, I flipped my blanket over like this. Then my bed was full of sand again. It's just like... So anyway, I sweep my bed. Sweep my bed. Breakfast. I'm really annoyed at myself because hence I did buy. I didn't think they would need a lid. And that's like the most important thing. I was gonna show you what I made, but then I ate it all. And now I'm gonna enjoy a little tea. I'm at Echuca. My dad was telling me it's like one of an early settlers' place. They used to do trading. I think it's what all the steamboats are for. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym here. I think I might stay the night here too, so there's like lots to look at. I found my first waterfall and immediately I've changed my clothes and now I'm barefoot. So really embracing the nature over here. Wow. Waterfall number 3. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, I got distracted again. There's something over here. Crystal Brooks Falls or Bent's Lookout. Let's go this way first. Big rock. How'd the big rock get up here? Holy fuck! Oh my god! It's a better spot. Ah! Ah! Is that where I'm supposed to be? I'm over here. Does that matter? Wow! I need to do like 1.5. Wow! Absolutely amazing, absolutely astonishing. There is a hike around here, but the way I'm going to where I'll be camping is all like, there's one way in, one way out, so I might keep going. I know this is here now. I'll leave a review on Google, of course, but I'm gonna go to the campsite, hopefully, and not get distracted again. Nah, getting distracted is awesome, look at this. If I didn't get distracted, I wouldn't be here. Welcome to the Australian Alps. I'm your host Paige and we are out here today looking at the fucking view. Look at this shit. Here, I'll give you another view. Here's the puddle. And that rock, I swear it's gonna fall off. It just needs a little push, you know. And if you really want to know, Adelaide is not on here. Fuck you, Adelaide. I'm so glad I'm in a van. Because fuck having to set up a tent in this bullshit. Speaking of bullshit, there was sites available. I was like driving around and I'm like, oh cool, I'll just like pick one out. Drove in, parked, and then I looked and I'm like, oh, this one's not actually available. In fact, it's unavailable. But I'm just like parked on the side of the road. I am gonna check out number 35 once it's dark. I'm so glad I ate earlier because I'm not going to be able to like cook in this. I know it's going to like pretty much rain all night and apparently it's going to be sunny and like 24 degrees tomorrow, so I'm really excited. I might go for a little swim in that place. Falling asleep to this tonight is going to be so good. I've got my little lights, I'm on already. Day 4 and I'm like getting all cuddly, snuggly, and it's like 5 o'clock and I'm like, I'm feeling so good right now. I'm really excited just to watch some Avatar right now and just squeeze in my bed. I'm just so excited because I feel like I'm here now. It's taken so long to get here, but now I'm here and I can just enjoy it, and there's no time limit and there's so many places to explore. Like, I'm on one mountain and there's like 50 things to do. I've been avoiding waking up this morning because I got up so early. I got up at like 5 o'clock. Any slither of light, I'm like awake. But I really wanted to sleep in, so I watched a lot of Avatar this morning. I just went for a morning walk around the campsite. This place is fucking amazing. Look, there's little benches over there. There's so many walking trails everywhere. It's amazing. Amazing. It's lunchtime. I've pretty much just been treating this as like a lazy Sunday. I finally found this amazing place. It does cost $27.50 a night, which is a lot, but it has a hot shower and everything, and I'm too scared to ignore the camping fees. Even though I've noticed quite a few of the campsites have no one in them and they're unavailable, and I don't know what that means, but I've decided I'm just gonna stay right fucking here. And I've got my little tarp up to give extra shade. I'm up to the last episode of Avatar already, so after this I'm gonna have to start reading and painting. Actually, I do have 2 more shows in Harry Potter, but yeah, I should read probably. But hey, what are you gonna do about it? It's the night of day 5, I think. It's so funny, I had this whole spiel in my head that I wanted to do. You know, I'm an expert now at this, so I want to give my advice and how I've been feeling and stuff. The first few days were like a massive adjustment for me. There was headaches and sleepless nights and nightmares and tears, and just wasn't... It was still a good time, but there was lots of ups and downs in the first like 3 days. And then on the 4th day, I'm like, I got it all figured out. But today I spent the whole day just lounging around, and I did my washing and I had a nap. I treated today like Saturday or a Sunday. It's been a big couple weeks. I think I keep forgetting that because I'm not like at work. I forget that I'm still working. It's just not a job. Do you know what I mean? And so like I devaluate it as doing anything because I'm not making money and like working, but I'm still doing a lot. Like, we finished the fucking van. I moved house and then repacked my entire life. Like, that's a lot. Like, even moving house in itself is like a big job. Yeah, I think just cutting myself a bit of slack and realizing I have done a lot and it's okay to rest. But I think that's something we forget. Or I forget anyway. In my head, I'm like, I have to do stuff. I have to be doing stuff. Like, not even have to, but like, make the most of this moment. Normally, if you were on holiday, you'd be doing this, this, and this. Or like, but normally I'd be with people. So I'd be going out, I'd be spending money, which I don't want to do. I think coming here was, to the Blue Mountains was this is what I'm here for. I'm not here to spend money on drinks and dinners. I'm here to live and spend time in nature.